those one. Oh, that one.
Mama, give it to me.
The good ones.
This is the big one.
Yeah, go. Just look, they're so good. Look at that.
Oh, can I?
Yeah, go get this one.
And the big one.
Yeah.
Where's
Nice.
the other big one?
Another big one. So here we go, guys. Making some strawberries today.
Mommy, where's the
Yeah,
big
that's a good
Wow.
one. Oh. Pick the big one.
This is the big one?
This one. The big one. That one. There you go.
Ugh.
Oh, good job. Come on. There you go, guys. Okay, don't step on them. Here you go.
The big one.
Here. Just the big ones. They're so good.
This is the big one.
Yeah, there you go.
This is the big one, Mama.
Yes.
This is a big, smaller. This is
Big.
big.
Yeah, that's fine. Just put it in the basket slowly. Otherwise, you're gonna burst them.
Oh. Well, guys, where's me?
Can. Okay, there's so many people. Yeah. We have lots for sure. Look at that. Okay.
Where's the strawberry? Where's the strawberry?
Here, Gab. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you want me?
Of course I do. I do love you very much. Here. Okay, more. Okay. Wow, look at this. Here. Whoa. They're overripe. Okay, here I have a good one. There you go. Gab.
We almost have what?
Gab.
That's a bad one.
Yeah. Here, look. Yeah. Okay.
Does any big strawberries?
Yep. Whoa. Look at those.
There's still big ones.
Yeah. You need to pick them like this. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Another one. Yeah. You need to make your basket full.
Oh.
There's two big ones there. There you go. Nice one. Here's our basket.
Mommy?
Yep.
This is kind of big.
Yeah. You just choose the good ones, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can get this. You can get those and the other one as well.
And almost full. Oh.
Wow. Pag ganitong season, very abundant talaga yung strawberries dito. So, one basket. So this size is 20 like $24
Mama,
for
Mommy,
liter.
there's
Yeah.
a small one.
Also, you don't need those. And this size, how much is that size, Jen? The smaller one?
It's $12.
$12.
Yeah.
So,
It's good for people.
yeah. So it's pretty good and they're very fresh.
Yeah, like you can see it.
Yeah. Kasi pag bibili ka sa store,
Sa store, hindi
Mas-
mo alam
yeah.
yung mga iba mo na
mas expensive and then
magandang ikaw na lang
oo.
yung pick.
Pag fresh kasi very juicy siya. Kaso lang yung aking little helper tamad mag-pick. Gabriel, here. See?
Tingin sa mga
Yeah.
ibang bata. This one also big.
Then, so, yan guys, so, pag nag-pick kayo, yan, hawiin mo lang yung dahon niya. So, marami talaga siya sa baba. Actually, na-pick na ito eh. Na-pick na ito siya. Tapos, tinitinda nila doon sa loob ng store. Kimi, No, give me, I will put it straight to the basket. At least siya, humahawak siya ng basket niya. Yun lang ang gagawin niya, maghahawak ng kanyang basket, tapos tamad siyang mag-pick. Hi. Yeah, hi.
Hi.
What are you doing today?
I'm going to pick strawberries.
You're picking strawberries. Do you love strawberries?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Come on.
Don't look at the kid.
How much food?
Yes. Yan o, tingnan nyo. Sa daming tao. Nagpipicking today. Kasi it's Sunday. So it's actually like a family day. Everybody loves to go out. Tayo tapos na agad oh.
Kasi ang dami talaga.
Ang dami oh, lalaki. Yeah. Ito maganda pag yung medyo opening pa lang kasi ngayon ng ng picking nila, kaya magaganda pa yung mga strawberries.
Thank you. It's so hot.
Unlike pag yung late ka na pupunta. Mostly yung may iwan pa yung mga
Sira na.
So ito maganda dito.
Oh, big, right? Big.
So dito,
That's the last one.
dito lagi kaming pumupunta, tapos minsan pipik din kami ng apples. Yeah, look at our basket. It's nice and full. Wow.
Mama,
Yes.
that's the last one.
Yeah. Hindi pwedeng kumain ng strawberries dito sa field. Pero usually yung mga tao dati, diretso kain na. Ngayon, bawal.
I can see one.
Okay, we're done. Strawberries na kinuha. So, reklamo na yung isa. Mainit daw. Gab-gab. Hungry? Tired? Thirsty? Oh, come on. Yeah? Yeah. Yum, yum. Eat, eat, eat. Gutom sila. He's driving a tractor.
A bumblebee.
Yeah?
A bumblebee in the truck.
A bumblebee. Alright. So yan, nagutom kami after mag-picking. Ayan, yung aking mga kasamahan. Okay, eat. So we have chicken fingers, and a hot dog, and a poutine.
Pudding with no cheese.
No cheese, pero ayaw kasi ni Jen ng cheese. Kaya, tsaka maganda dito oh. Farm kasi ito, tapos madaming tao.